This is just a little bit of news. I just posted a new video on my Two River TV channel. It's a studio visit with my friend Judy Tavel, who's a ceramic artist. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed shooting the video and looking at it because I always like to learn about new materials and new processes, and ceramics are something that I'm hoping to get into one day. So I hope you'll check that video out. I'll have a link in the description. And this week's project video is going to be making wooden bases for Judy's ceramic sculpture. So that it all kind of ties together there. And here's just a kind of a sneak peek at what you'll see if you go to the main video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on Sunday.
There's all sorts of people working with clay at all different levels, and you can find your tribe. I mean, it's a wonderful experience.